melati kuntum tumbuh melata, sayang merbah di pohon cemara. Assalamualaikum mulainya kata, saya sembah pembuka bicara. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera untuk kita semua. Yang terhormat Bapak Fandi Bestario Harlan dan Bapak Muhammad Zainuddin selaku dosen mata kuliah Teknologi Informasi untuk Produktivitas Kerja dan teman-teman yang saya sayangi. Izinkan saya memperkenalkan diri. Baik, perkenalkan nama saya Nana Nuraliza selaku moderator yang akan memandu jalannya presentasi dari kelompok 2 yang beranggotakan Adela Kartika Sari, NIM 4132111076. Saya sendiri Nana Nuraliza, NIM 4132111077. Anita Suryani, NIM 4132111071. Erika Febriani Daulay, NIM 4132111072. Nah, daripada kita penasaran dan memperpanjang waktu, kita masuki saja untuk materi yang pertama yang akan dibawakan oleh Adela Kartika Sari. Kepada Adela, dipersilahkan.
Oke, jadi di sini saya akan menjelaskan mengenai warehouse dan warehouse management system. Nah, warehouse atau gudang yaitu tempat yang digunakan perusahaan untuk menyimpan atau menyediakan suatu barang. Nah, apa sih warehouse management system? Nah, warehouse management system atau yang disebut dengan sistem manajemen pergudangan yaitu sistem yang dibuat khusus untuk memudahkan kinerja suatu pergudangan yang ada di suatu perusahaan. Jadi contohnya tuh gini. Jadi sistem manajemen ini misalnya nih kita pengen tahu nih, misalnya kita pengen naruh barang nih. Kita ada barang, terus kita bingung nih kita mau naruh di mana, kita nggak tahu di tempat mana yang kosong yang bisa kita taruh barang. Nah, jadi sistem manajemen ini kita bisa mengetahui di mana sih tempat yang kosong supaya kita tuh bisa meletakkan barang tersebut. Terus kita juga bisa ngecek ketersediaan suatu barang tersebut. Jadi kita tuh pengen barang A, B, C, terus kita pengen tahu nih kayak ini barang ada nggak ya ini di gudang gitu. Nah, kan gudang itu yang namanya gudang suatu perusahaan itu pasti yang nggak kecil kan ya. Jadi memudahkan kita untuk mengetahui kayak ternyata barangnya ini ada, ternyata barangnya ini nggak ada di gudang tersebut gitu. Terus juga kita juga bisa ngelihat kondisi suatu barang tersebut. Terus kita juga bisa melihat status pengiriman. Jadi misalnya ini kita ngirim barang nih, kita ngirim barang ke suatu tempat, terus kita bisa ngecek nih status pengirimannya nih, nih barang udah di mana gitu. Nah, kita bisa ngecek dari sistem tersebut. Jadi warehouse management system ini itu sangat penting sekali dalam suatu pergudangan karena itu memang sangat-sangat mempermudahkan kita dalam memanage suatu gudang tersebut.
Baik, terima kasih kepada Adel. Untuk materi selanjutnya akan dibawakan oleh Erika. Kepada Erika, dipersilahkan.
Tujuan Warehouse Management System atau WMS. Apa sih tujuan utama dari penerapan Warehouse Management System itu sendiri? Oke, jadi penerapan Warehouse Management System bertujuan untuk mengelola dan juga mengontrol setiap proses yang dilakukan pada gudang. Proses ini itu meliputi beberapa hal seperti shipping, pengiriman, free shipping, penerimaan, put away, penyimpanan, serta movement, pergerakan, dan juga picking, pengambilan. Fungsi WMS atau Warehouse Management System. Yang pertama, fungsi dari WMS itu sendiri adalah mampu memenuhi permintaan pelanggan dengan lebih cepat. Dan yang kedua, menentukan tingkat inventory dan juga melakukan reorder tepat pada waktunya.
Baik, terima kasih kepada Erika. Untuk materi selanjutnya akan dibawakan oleh teman kita yaitu Anita. Kepada Anita, dipersilahkan.
Apa keuntungan penggunaan WMS atau Warehouse Management System? Ada 6 keuntungan menggunakan WMS. Yang pertama, kecepatan handling proses. Dengan kita menerapkan WMS pada sistem pergudangan, tentu bisa meningkatkan kecepatan proses sehingga menghemat waktu. Mengapa demikian? karena semua sistem itu cukup dilakukan melalui komputer. Jadi dengan kita menggunakan WMS ini, membuat semua transaksi dan gudang bisa dilakukan secara cepat. Yang kedua, mudah mengatur lokasi penyimpanan. Maksudnya itu, dengan kita menerapkan sistem WMS ini, maka lebih mudah untuk mengatur lokasi penyimpanan barang secara optimal. Karena setiap barang yang masuk ke gudang lebih mudah diatur sistem penyimpanannya dengan memakai peralatan yang ada di dalam sistem, dengan menerapkan sistem FIFO. Yang ketiga, meminimalisir biaya gaji karyawan. Yang keempat, mengurangi pengeluaran usaha. Dengan menggunakan sistem WMS ini, cukup memakai komputer atau gadget, sehingga memudahkan untuk mengelola data yang berhubungan dengan persediaan barang di gudang. Di situ bisa mengurangi biaya peralatan yang biasanya dilakukan secara manual. Dengan demikian, kita itu nggak perlu ngeluarin biaya untuk pembelian dan pemeliharaan alat dari bisnis. Yang kelima, dapat meningkatkan pelayanan. Jika kita menerapkan sistem ini secara tepat, bisa mempersingkat proses pemesanan sampai pengiriman barang. Karena semuanya sudah dilakukan dengan menggunakan gadget. Dari situ, kita bisa menentukan pengiriman ke konsumen sehingga sistem ini mempunyai keuntungan untuk meningkatkan pelayanan konsumen. Yang keenam, meningkatkan kinerja karyawan serta produktivitas karyawan. Jika kita menerapkan sistem ini secara efisien, maka bisa membantu untuk memberi informasi kepada karyawan terkait pekerjaan yang harus mereka lakukan saat berada di gudang.
Terima kasih kepada Anita. Baik, kita sudah mengetahui apa saja keuntungan dari warehouse management system. Lalu, bagaimanakah warehouse management system ini berlangsung? Untuk mengetahuinya, mari kita saksikan video berikut ini.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Lace Up Channel. My name is Mickey. Today I'm going to give you a tour of our biggest warehouse management system that we've ever done. We're going to show you how we receive product, how we pick product, how we put product away in a picking location, how we ensure that you rotate out your oldest product first with first in, first out, track lot numbers, and last but not least, how you can go up and down the warehouse and know exactly what you have in each bin at any point in time. The goal for you is learn how one of these big warehouse systems works so that when you're shopping around for one, you make the best decision. Anyways, let's get right into it. So now we're sitting in the warehouse's receiving dock where product comes in through these doors and it gets received into inventory. Whether the product is coming in built pallets, mixed pallets, or right on the floor of a big container, product is taken right through these doors off the container and it's placed right here in the receiving dock. The receiving dock is where product gets counted by the warehouse management system and where the product eventually gets palletized, wrapped in saran wrap, and labeled with a QR code that contains how many products are on that pallet, what the lot number is, what the expiration date is, and what the quantity is. Alright guys, so this is the palletizing section in the warehouse right here. As the product comes off the truck and it gets palletized, it's placed here, it's saran wrapped. Once it's saran wrapped, follow me over here. We print out a pallet label, and that pallet label prints out of these thermal printers right here. That label is placed on the pallet itself to be able to give it a QR code, and that's a QR code that gets scanned to indicate which product is going into which bin location, which is what I'm going to show you next. I'm going to show you how the product gets scanned and how that pallet goes from the floor of the warehouse in this receiving dock into its actual overstock bin location. So now that we've received the product officially into our warehouse, we've labeled the product on the pallet utilizing this little device. This is the device that we use to both scan the product in against its purchase order, and from here we send the command to that printer you just saw to print out that pallet label. Follow me real quick. You'll see on the pallet label how the label itself looks. So you can see right there it's got a QR code, the name of the product, the expiration date, the lot number, and the date it was received. Now, in order to get this product to check in to this bin location, what you have to do is you have to take this device, you bring this product over from the receiving area on your pallet jack, and you're going to scan the product in like so into its location. So you can see that this product was scanned into here. Now, remember, this is normally a picking location. A picking location is a location from which you pick the product. The overstock locations above are where you normally check it in, and then you rotate it down from above down here. Now, that's not to say that our system is closed off or it'll make you do anything. The thing is, our system will allow you to optimize the space in your warehouse and check in the product using this scanner. All that matters is that you scan that barcode into any of these QR codes. That's all that matters. As long as you do that, the system will know the whereabouts of every pallet in your warehouse. So now that you know how we check product in, it's important to discuss how that product is transferred from above to down below. So if you follow me real quick, and let's use this example over here. You can see right up there, you know, we've got a pallet of a product. Now that pallet has a different lot number than the one down here. It also has a different expiration code. So what our system does, if you want to track lot numbers, if you want to do first in, first out, okay, you want to ensure that that product down there is picked first prior to transferring that product from above down below. So that is how we maintain first in, first out. Now, how do these transfers work? It's easy. You walk up with your scanner, you scan. In this case, you would scan the third bin, boom, and then you would scan the bottom bin where it's going to. And that would allow you to transfer that pallet from above to down below. And again, that's going to happen once this pallet runs out of product. So that is how we utilize first in, first out to transfer product from above to below. Now, let's keep walking down, and I'm going to explain to you guys how we do cycle counts within our inventory system. So if you follow me, let's go look for a bin location down here that has maybe some product that's almost out. So let's look for one. I see one right there. You can see it. So let's head over there. Okay. So let's say, for example, that we come to pick out of this bin, and the system is reporting that we should have 10 cases in that bin. And when we look physically, we go in to pick it, it only has one case. The beauty of this system, all you have to do is tap cycle count. You come here, you scan the QR code representing this bin location, and you put in the amount of product you see in there, and the system will make the cycle count for you. Now, when you have a warehouse management system, all you have to do is worry about cycle counting the picking bins. Because when you cycle count the picking bins, you're able to save time not having to cycle count everything above that you've already checked in. Okay, so the cycle counts are as easy as boom, scan the bin, input the quantities, and the system makes the adjustment for you, and then that adjustment goes to your accounting system. Okay, so now come over here. I want to discuss with you guys how the system handles one more thing, which is how do we handle different areas in the warehouse. So if you come with me here down to the end of the warehouse, I'll show you the areas. In this warehouse, there are three sections. There is a section called the dry goods or the grocery. That's what you see here. There is a refrigerated section, which is the second section in here. And the third section is a freezer all the way down at the end. Each of those sections is mapped out 100% in our inventory management system. And each section has mapped out dimensions for the bins. Even if you utilize the passageways or the aisles as bins, you're able to map all those things within our system, and as a result, you're able to know the exact whereabouts of every single product within your warehouse. Now, the bottom line is when you get to that bin location, if you're able to scan the bin location, or when you scan the bin location, the system will tie the pallet to that location. So technically, you could even have bin locations up in the roof or wherever you want, just as long as you label them and you map them out in our system. The last part in the warehouse that we want to talk about is the interaction between the inventory going on a truck and off a truck. Back there you see a truck, and it's actually unloading product into the warehouse. But normally, most distributors have trucks where product is loaded onto them, and they go out and make deliveries, and then those distributors or those trucks come back with remaining product. Within our system, we have a route return function right here. That route return function allows you to scan everything coming back off the truck and redirect it, whether it be to a damaged bin location or to its actual picking bin. This allows you to close the loop on any product that you may potentially lose, and it allows you to save thousands, even hundreds of thousands, or maybe even millions of dollars when it comes to waste, theft, and shrinkage from your driver.
Baik, kita sudah menyaksikan bagaimana manajemen sistem dari warehouse tersebut. Lalu selanjutnya manajemen sistem warehouse ini juga dibantu dengan beberapa fitur-fitur untuk memudahkan pekerjaannya. Lalu apa sajakah fitur-fitur tersebut? Yang pertama ada multi company dan multi office. Yang kedua ada multi currency. Yang ketiga ada multi contract. Yang keempat ada multi UOM. Dan yang kelima ada user management CSO for inbound or outbound order or order upload or direct creation in screen. Yang keenam ada inbound or outbound planning atau AASN. Yang ketujuh ada receiving, dan yang kedelapan ada good receive not report.
Hello friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. In this session we will see how to move material within warehouse in SAP WM. So the agenda for the session is steps to move material from source bin to interim storage area. When we say that our storage is warehouse managed, this means we will be using warehouse to store a particular material. So there will be need sometimes to move material within the warehouse. So all the movements that take place are via interim storage area. So when we have a need to move material from one bin to other bin, it will be via interim storage area. So let's move to the steps to move material from source bin to interim storage area. So first step is to create a transfer requirement, that will be via LB01. Then we will be creating transfer order via LT04, that will be in reference to transfer requirement. Then we will be confirming transfer order via LT12. So let's do all these functions practically. When you want to move goods within warehouse from one storage bin to other storage bin, you need to create transfer requirement, then transfer order. Always remember, all movement within warehouse are done via interim storage area. So whenever you have requirement to move goods within storage bin, it's a two-step process, which means that two transfer orders are created. First transfer order is created to move goods from source storage bin to interim storage area, and second transfer order is created to move from interim storage area to destination storage bin. Now I am taking example to move goods from source storage bin to interim storage area. To create transfer requirement, you need to enter transaction code LB01 in command field. This will navigate you to create transfer requirement page. Here you need to enter your warehouse number, movement type, and any requirement number that will give reference of this transfer requirement. So I am entering test data here. I am using movement type 201, that is for goods issue. Requirement number is. Now press enter. It will navigate you to the other page. Here you can see that this is your destination storage type, that is interim storage area, and this is your interim storage bin. This is your plant and storage location. Here you need to enter your material and transfer requirement quantity. So I am entering my material here, transfer requirement quantity, then press enter. It will fetch automatically all the details. Now click on save. So a transfer requirement is created to move your goods from source storage bin to destination storage bin. In this case, destination storage bin is interim storage area. You can display this transfer requirement in transaction code LB03. So enter LB03 in command field. Enter your warehouse number and transfer requirement number. This will navigate you to display transfer requirement page. Here you can view all the details. Always remember, in transfer requirement you will be able to see destination storage type. Now second step that comes under this process is to create transfer order. So to create transfer order from transfer requirement, enter transaction code / and LT04 in command field. This will navigate you to create transfer order from TR page. Here you need to enter your warehouse number and transfer requirement number. Then press enter. This will navigate you to the other page. Here you can see that this is the destination bin. This is the storage type search, like first it will search for this value and secondly for this value. Now click on generate plus next material. It will automatically fetch all the details. Now click on Save. So transfer order is created. You can display this transfer order in transaction/NLT21. Enter your TO number and warehouse number. This will navigate you to display transfer order page. Here you can see that it has automatically picked source storage bin. That is, this is the storage type, this is storage section, and this is the storage bin. This is the destination bin, that is interim storage area. Here this red symbol means our transfer order is not yet confirmed. So once you confirm transfer order, our goods will be moved to this destination bin. Before confirming transfer order, we will just check stock in transaction LS26. LS26 is to display stock overview at warehouse level. Here you need to enter your warehouse number, material, plant. Here you can see that this 911, we can see that for put away 2 is left, that is we have not confirmed our transfer order, so it is showing in this stock for put away. And in this source storage bin that is showing up in transfer order, you can see that this is the pick quantity, that is 3 is left over here. Now we will again confirm transfer order and then we will again check this stock. So to confirm transfer order, you need to go to LT12, enter your transfer order number and warehouse number, then press enter. You can see your details here. This is your material, plant, batch number, and this is source storage bin, and this is destination storage bin, that is your interim storage area. Now click on save. Your transfer order will be confirmed, generating a message. Now we will again check our stock in LS26. Just refresh this page. Here you can see that in 911 available stock is now 4, earlier it was 2, and stock for put away is 0. And here it was showing as pink quantity was 2, but now it is showing as 0. So it means that our stock has moved from source, that is from this storage bin, to interim storage area. So in similar way, second transfer order can be created to move from interim storage area to destination storage bin. So in this session we have seen how to move material within a warehouse, and in next session we will see goods receipt and goods issue process in detail.
Baik, dari pemaparan materi tadi dapat kita ketahui bahwa warehouse dapat digambarkan sebagai bagian dari suatu sistem logistik sebuah perusahaan yang berfungsi untuk menyimpan produk dan menyediakan informasi mengenai suatu persediaan dari produk tersebut. Sedangkan warehouse management system atau sistem manajemen pergudangan merupakan sebuah sistem yang dibuat secara khusus untuk bisa lebih memudahkan kinerja manajemen pergudangan yang ada di suatu perusahaan, yang mana tujuannya untuk membantu mengontrol proses shipping, receiving, put away, movement, hingga ke picking. Lalu kita juga telah mengetahui fitur-fitur apa saja yang digunakan untuk membantu warehouse management system ini dan bagaimana fitur ini bekerja. Baik, sekian dari presentasi kelompok kami. Mohon maaf jika ada salah kata dan perbuatan. Saya selaku moderator pamit undur diri. Pisau menggores menjadi luka, rasanya sakit amatlah perih. Cukuplah sekian dari saya haturkan terima kasih. Terima kasih, wabillahi taufik wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, dan sampai jumpa.